So question 3 is going to deal with a percent change problem, and it's going to read Tim made 7 shots in his first basketball game. He made 3 shots in his second game. What was his percent change? So we have the percent change formula located below, and we're going to use that formula to find the percent change. So in order to find the percent change, we have to note what's the new amount and what's the old amount. So for the new amount, well, notice it says Tim made 7 shots in his first basketball game. So that's the original amount, that's the old amount he made. So originally he made 7 shots, and that was in his first basketball game. And then he made 3 shots in his second game. So the new amount now is 3. So we have our original, we have our new, so now we're ready to plug in. So he made 3 shots, that was the new game, minus the original, which was 7, over the original, which is 7, and then we have times 100. So now we're going to do 3 minus 7, and that would give us negative 4 over 7, and then we have times 100. So when we divide negative 4 by 7, we'll round to the nearest tenth, so we end up with negative 0.6, and we just round to the nearest tenth place, times 100. And last but not least, we're going to multiply negative 0.6 times 100, and we end up with negative 60, and because we multiplied by 100, that's a percent. Now remember, the negative just tells us that it was a 60% decrease, which makes sense because notice his first game he made more shots than his second game, so we're expecting a percent change that's a decrease, which is what we ended up with, 60% decrease.